Welcome to our YouTube video on how to fix Facebook app expired. If you're experiencing issues with your Facebook app, follow these steps to get it back up and running smoothly. Step 1. Log out and log in. Simply log out of your Facebook account and then log back in to refresh the app. Step 2. Log out of all devices and log in. To ensure a clean slate, log out of all devices where your Facebook account is active before logging back in. Step 3. Clear cache files. Go to your device's settings, then Apps, and find Facebook. Tap on it, then select Clear Data and choose Clear Cache to remove any app-related cache files. Step 4. Allow background usage. Check your device's battery optimization settings to make sure the Facebook app is allowed to run in the background for notifications and updates. Step 5. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If all else fails, uninstall the Facebook app from your device and reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure you have the latest version to ensure compatibility. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix any issues with your Facebook app and get back to enjoying social networking with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.